Hi guys, it's Mel with UglyDogLures, and today I'm here to go over 10 easy steps to make thumbnails. So first off, I want you to go to your Google account and open the apps right there in the corner by your picture, and find the Google Drive. It's this little triangle, and it can be anywhere because you can move it around, so make sure that you look around for it. And when you open it up, it's going to bring up your Google Drive. So now we need to create a slideshow. So we're going to go over to the left side, click New, and find Google Slides. It's the yellow box. We're going to click that and blank presentation. Now that's going to create an entire presentation for you to start. Next step, we're going to title it, because this is something that you're going to keep using over and over, and you're going to want to be able to find it easily. So title it whatever suits you. It doesn't really matter. And the next step is we're going to open a blank slide. Now to do that, you're going to go over to the left side and you're going to find the plus mark. Down at the bottom, there's a blank slide. It's that easy. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one because it just gets in the way. Next, we're going to start designing. And you can start wherever you feel comfortable, but I'm going to draw some boxes. I'm going to add some color. So here, this would be a background. We're going to put a paint box in purple, lavender. And then I'm going to do another one smaller on the edge to kind of catch the eye. And you can put this wherever you want. You design it the way that works for you. You can change the colors. I'm going to go with a purple this time. And now I'm going to do the trim. And you have a purple outline. And I'm going to change the background color. Next, we're going to add in some text. You find the T with the box around it, and you just draw a box out however big you want it, in the area you want it. It can be moved. It's not locked in any way. And you just click in it and you start typing. And like I said, it can be anything, but remember that the slides are very small on someone's phone. So if you put text on there, you need to make sure that you leave these areas kind of open, because this is where YouTube puts the overlays. So if you put a bunch of stuff right here, nobody's going to be able to see it. It's kind of a blank zone. Next, we're going to add pictures, or you can do a screenshot. Here, I'm just going to pull a picture out of my drive. Here's the fish that Goose caught this weekend. We're going to kind of stick it where we want it. You can add more than one picture. You can move them around. You can slant them. You can turn them upside down if you wanted to. And now we're going to modify and edit. Now I want you to think about this in long term. You're going to make one slide, you're going to duplicate it, and you're going to keep using it as you go. And that way you only have to really do it once. Now here I'm going to bring the word forward, go to order, bring forward. It's that easy, guys. I'm going to change the font color. I'm going to move the word around a little bit. Now we can even go up here, we can center it. You can highlight it. I mean, sky's the limit here. Underline, can lean it over. You can make it bold, you can change the size, you can change the text. It doesn't give you a lot of options on text, but there's enough that you can do what you want to do. You can add in logos, see what the slide looks like. And then you're going to just download the file. Okay? And it's that easy. You're going to go down to download, you're going to find JPEG, and you're going to save it on your computer or on your drive, whatever you use. I use a drive. So it's going to bring up my file. I'm going to go down and find the file I'm working on. And I'm going to save it. The next step is normally when you upload a video, you're going to upload your thumbnail with it. But here, just to show you, I'm going to change the thumbnail on a video I already have up. You go to the edit. You go down your screen until you find your thumbnails. Oops, too far down. Okay. And you're just going to click that little 3 dots, and it's going to come up and ask you to change or to download. I'm going to change. I'm going to select the slide I just made, and boom. There it is. Okay. If I want to keep it, I hit save. If I don't want to keep it, I want to work on it a little more, I do undo changes, and it goes back to normal. And it's that easy. You've just made a thumbnail for YouTube. And the great thing is, like I do Ugly Dogs, I keep a running slideshow of all the thumbnails that I do. So if I think, oh, did we do this, or when are we going to do this, I can kind of plan it out and keep it going. And I also do the end screens this way. So if you guys have any questions, or you have any comments, or you have better ideas, I would love to hear about it. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.